Viewers, today latest update from Ethiopia and Tigray clashes. Viewers, clashes erupt in Gondar town between Amhara Fano militia and Eritrea Shebia troops in Gondar, Ethiopia. Eritrean troops have been accused of robbery and theft, including looting 50 luxury cars from Gondar and taking them to the Eritrean capital Asmara. On the other side, Ethiopian army kills innocent people, robbing property, burns, raping women and trying to create propaganda. Since the army of Tigray in the foundation of being public, it will not touch the people. The pictures shows Tigray Defense Force is shopping with the people in Mersa city market. Viewers, finally the first spotting of our Tigray Defense Force fighters in possession of an ATGM. ATGM were captured from the Northern Command back in November but have not made an appearance until now. The captured ATGM is a 9M133 Cornet. Viewers, the news of victory, the brave Tigray Defense Force has killed more than 5,660 enemies in Lalibela area, Amdi Gold, Kozba, Gorbo Ajiu with the scientific attack on 4,895 injured enemies. Viewers, according to the latest news is that reports reaching us say that Olusegun Obasanjo met with President Abiy Ahmed yesterday in Addis Ababa as part of efforts to start a negotiated ceasefire for the Tigray war. Obasanjo will also meet with Tigrayan leaders in Sudan and that the United Nations will arrange a special flight for Tigrayan leaders to Khartoum. So viewers, latest news is that clashes erupts in Gondar town between Amhara Fano militia and Eritrea Shebia troops in Gondar, Ethiopia. Eritrean troops have been accused of robberies and theft, including looting 50 luxury cars from Gondar and taking them to the Eritrean capital Asmara. So viewer, this is the latest update about it. For more latest report, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.